Hello, I'm Dee Woolridge, award-winning author, international speaker, and success coach. I'm also a certified clinical hypnotherapist. And a common question I get is, are there real benefits of having a life coach? And the answer is yes. Life coaches act as your personal cheerleader, motivator, and accountability partner. They help you with strategic planning to implement change. They celebrate your wins, no matter how small, and help you gear up for your next hurdle to conquer. You start taking more effective and focused actions immediately, and you stop engaging in useless behavior. You create momentum so it's easier to get results. You set better goals that are based on what you really want. You have more time and energy. If you'd like more information, you can find it on my website. I'm Dee Woolridge, author, speaker, coach, and certified clinical hypnotherapist.